Hi, I'm Peter Franklin, CEO of OnwardMobility. I'm excited to announce our agreement with BlackBerry and Foxconn Technology Group subsidiary FIH Mobile to deliver a new 5G BlackBerry Android smartphone with a physical keyboard. We've assembled a hand-selected team of executives with deep expertise in mobile devices, enterprise security, and government and carrier relations to bring to market a feature-rich 5G BlackBerry Android smartphone that delivers on security and productivity. With more people working from home and in today's threat landscape, we expect BlackBerry 5G devices will be more than just nice to have, they'll be a critical need. Consumers are looking for a more secure choice for their smartphone purchases, and they're ready for a sleek device built around security and productivity from the ground up. Our new BlackBerry 5G phone will deliver just that.